Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to fix Messenger voice record not working. So if you are facing a problem with Messenger voice record, then if you simply open up your messenger and if you are on a call and if you want to record that call, like for example if you are having a video call on messenger and if you are recording that call, then only the video section will be available and your audio will not be available while you record. That's the problem with messenger. So we don't have any fix to that, but in some Android phones you will have that option, but in some mobile or in some phone we don't have that option. But what you can do is you can download any voice recording app from any Play Store or the App Store that is available on your mobile device, and you can easily fix Messenger voice record not working problem. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries, then feel free to comment on this comment section. Subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you won't miss any video from our channel. Thank you guys.